Hello. Josh, I'm scared that I'm going to drop your phone. Hello, recording. Oh no, let's go back.
If you're going to skate,
we're just going to be doing a vlog of like basically. Oh crap, a motor. I think she fell out. I took a picture of her.
yeah, I'm here guys.
Hello. This is gonna be on. Well, it's mine and my friend's YouTube channel now. It used to be mine, but I have changed it.
And also shout out, go and check Seth's channel called Mr. Covington.
Yeah, I don't know how you spell it, but yeah.
Just check out their channels and stuff.
Yeah, probably.
We've got someone else's channels on.
Doritos Illuminati. Check that channel out, and yeah. Enjoy the rest of the vlog. No, not enjoy the rest of the video. What we're gonna be like. Go. Who knows?
And also, sometimes in the morning I might do a video of Black Ops 3 film.
Bye.
So check it out soon.
Oh shit.